At Deception Bay State School, we use the high five hand as part of our positive behaviour for learning. The high five hand is a physical prompt in the form of a hand sign to help students remember strategies that can help them to appropriately manage conflict. The high five hand can be used in both the playground and the classroom. Each strategy is taught individually, and students learn skills to deal with problems in a systematic and constructive way. Explicitly teaching and reinforcing the use of these strategies gives students skills which will build their self-esteem by empowering them to take responsibility for themselves. Practicing these proactive strategies consistently throughout the school also helps to prevent incidences turning into bullying. The high five strategies are talk friendly, ignore, talk firmly, walk away, and report. Talk friendly is the first and most powerful strategy. When a student talks friendly, they stay calm and respectful. They maintain confident body language and eye contact. All students involved take turns to speak and listen to each other. They use their words to tell the person about the problem and suggest ways to solve the problem. The second strategy is to ignore. When ignoring, the student pretends they didn't hear the other student. They maintain positive body language by having a calm and confident posture. When ignoring, it can help to distract yourself by thinking about something else. Talking firmly is the next strategy. When talking firmly, the child should be assertive and use a serious voice without yelling or raising it. The students should take turns speaking using I statements, telling the other child how their actions makes them feel. When speaking firmly, it's important that the student doesn't use put downs. The fourth strategy to use is walking away. This step simply involves the child moving away from the other student involved in the problem. When walking away, it's important that the student moves confidently with their head up high. When walking away, it is also important that the child doesn't speak to the person they are moving away from and doesn't look back so it reduces the interaction between them. The child walking away should move toward an area where a staff member is close by. The final strategy is to report and ask an adult for help. When doing this, the student should explain the problem in an honest way and tell the teacher what steps they have already taken to try and solve the problem. It's important that bystanders also follow these steps so that they're part of the solution rather than part of the problem. If the problem occurs in the playground and the first four steps haven't helped, it is important to make sure that the problem is reported to the teacher on duty rather than waiting for the end of playtime to report it to the classroom teacher. The reason for this is because reporting straight away means the incident can be dealt with straight away. It's also important in instances where children don't know the name of the student involved. If the issue involves the child's health or physical safety, students are to report straight away to a teacher. They are not to attempt to solve such problems themselves. Thank you.